Welcome to Fire Alarm Test 27, more continuous. So let's begin. At the time this is being filmed, it is the 4th of July, so if you're watching this today, happy 4th of July. And this is basically partially a 4th of July special, but it's just going to be a normal fire alarm test. So, starting off, we have an Edwards Integrity Horn strobe, and I believe Fire Alarm Test 20, that's when I did the Edwards Integrities. I never did continuous with them, but I found out how to change it to continuous. It was just an obvious jumper, and it's going to be set on continuous. The specific one is fixed 110 candela, and that's about it for over here. If we go to the second spot, with the pole station today, the Silent Night BT12, we have an Edwards Integrity Remote strobe. Now you might be noticing something odd if you follow along with my system tests. So, usually I have the horn hooked up to the pole station, but I have the strobe for a good reason. This one's fixed 1575 candela, and it's the same thing, but just no sound, of course. The reason why I'm using the remote strobe with the pole station instead is because of this. We have my Ademco mechanical horn, looks like the Wheelock 34 horn. This thing is very loud, and the reason why is it's hardwired. Old devices like this can often be hardwired, so that's why I'm using the strobe with the pole station today. So, the integrities are both white and red. I mean, there's not much blue. I guess the screwdriver's blue, but I guess it's close enough to the 4th of July colors. Anyways, if you have epilepsy, please don't watch this, as these lights are going to be flashing, and I would turn down your volume because these horns are going to be very loud. Alright, so as always, I'm going to pull the pole station on camera, and you're going to see the strobe flashing first instead of a horn going off first. Meanwhile, I'm going to be connecting the other two horns off camera. So, here we go. That was definitely very loud, but that is about going to do for this fire alarm test. I hope you all enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.